Alright guys, we're back out here working on my 1994 Nitro Bass boat. If you are new to the channel, my name is Brooks and this is my 1994 Nitro Bass boat that we are restoring and then giving away at 25,000 subscribers if we hit it by the end of the year. So if you want to help us get there, make sure to hit the subscribe button. But today we are ripping out these dirty, disgusting floors right here because they all need to be redone. And so we're going to jump in right into the front of this and see if this is a lot bigger project than I thought it was, or if it's not going to be actually as bad as I thought. Well, I just did this whole side compartment right here, but look how much dirt and dust and stuff came out of that carpet right there. And that's why we're putting new carpet in this. But let me tell you, that did not come out very easy. As you can still see, there's some strips right here. So I got to take this whole thing off to be able to get that off. But this might actually not be as good of an idea as I thought. But let's continue and let's see what happens. Well guys, just like that, we have the whole entire front ripped off, which, let me tell you, was not easy. This probably took me 2 hours to get it off. But look how much dirt and dust. I haven't moved those since taking out these two panels right here, but they are completely covered in dust and dirt just from the top. That's how much dirt was in that carpet. And let me tell you, we're gonna pressure wash this and vacuum it and get it all ready for new carpet, and it's gonna look so much better. But we're also not gonna have to deal with all this dirt like we are right now. Well guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button, as we are trying to get to 25,000 subscribers so we can give this boat away before the end of the year, which would be a huge milestone and it'd be awesome for the channel. But yeah, if you did like the content, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you want to stay up to date on what we're doing with the boat, also hit the subscribe button, and we will catch you in the next one.